So give me your post-match analysis. And what was the turning point? Was it the run out or the drop catch of Patidar?
KL's catch actually mattered a lot there because the faster you get Ashutosh Sharma on the crease, the faster you can get him out and get the game done and dusted. Of course, we were short by 40 runs. We have to face it, right?
What do you put it down to? 4 wins in the bounce.
Yeah, it's the management. The management has selected a beautiful team for the first time. Or else, every single year we used to lose in Bangalore. This is the first time we're winning in Bangalore after 6 years.
Very, very happy. First time 4 out of 4 winning, especially beating RCB and Chennaswamy. The looks on the fans' faces, it was brilliant.
Yeah, Akshar has been very talented for the past 5 years. His game has improved a lot. Now, ever since he has been with Ricky Ponting, he has gotten the captaincy, and this year with Badani has taken a beautiful team.
Some fans were telling me that because the rain sprinklage happened, that went into KL's mind and he went into overdrive.
That is what caused him to start accelerating. I think we pulled out our DLS calculators during the matches. During that rain sprinkle, but I think we were 1 run ahead at that point on DLS. And that probably hit KL's mind. He doesn't have a calculator in his head. So he just thinks, okay, rain is here. With 4 wickets down, it's time to go bang bang.
A word on KL Rahul. Do you think he performed extra better today because it's against RCB? There was so much talk in the auction that he'd come to this team and they bid only 14 crores. I say only 14 crores because people thought they would go more. All of those reasons, do you think it's really annoyed the man?
It really did, especially since a few years ago, RCB let KL Rahul go. So definitely I feel like there was a bit of a grudge, I would say. And definitely from the start, it was a little bit slow, but he carried the innings through. Brilliant innings.
What is with the Chinnaswamy? Do you think this is not going to be a winner, Swami?
Nah, I don't think so. It's not going to happen. Every year now, this year is DC. RCB ain't going to win this year. It's DC this year.
What do you put it down to? Is it Akshar, KP, Hemang Badani? Who is it for Delhi who's doing so well this year?
I think batting innings, KL was pretty much the one who saved it. But bowling, I think all round it was pretty good. Kuldeep and everyone, brilliant performance.
But I honestly think the bowling has done a good job so far. The top order has to pull up, right? Phil Salt did a good job. The run out was unfortunate. But I think that took away a bit of momentum because we were 60 in 3 overs. And we got nowhere from that at the end of 6 overs.